Hi guys, this is Dinesh here. Today we're going to see how to add a categories to your application. After watching this video, you can able to add categories just like this. Let's get started. To add categories, we are going to do it in two steps. Step 1, need to set up a category. To set up a category, open the dashboard. Click on products. And click on categories. And click on add new category. Give your category name. And click on upload image. Select the image. Click on open. Click on use image. Click on add new category. So we successfully added our category here. Let's see in the second step how we can add a subcategory. Give your subcategory name and select your parent category. Click on upload image. And click on upload files. Click on select file. And select your subcategory image here. And click on open. Once it uploaded, click on use image. Now click on add new category. That's it. We successfully added our subcategory too.